How to change your Spotify password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your Spotify password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are logged into Snapchat and if you don't remember your password and you want to change it, it's very simple. Now just keep in mind that you can't really change your password from the Spotify app, so you have to make sure that you are logged in on your browser. Now there are two scenarios. One is that you are not logged in and then you want to change your password because you don't remember your password. That is called resetting the password. Other is if you are logged in, you remember your password but still you want to change your password. For that, you come to spotify.com, log into your account, tap the three lines option, tap the gear icon from here, and then go to the option called view account. Once you go to view account, if you scroll down over here, you should be able to see all these sorts of details where under security and privacy you'll find change password. So you can tap on change password option, enter the current password and enter the new password to actually successfully change the password. Now other case scenario is that let's say you are logged out of Spotify. Now again, repeat the same steps, come from your browser, not from the app. Let's say you are logged out, you want to log in but you don't remember your password. In that case, you need to make sure you have access to the email address on which your Spotify account was associated, and then tap the option called forgot password from the bottom. First enter the email address, tap on next. It will actually send a verification code or will link to your email on which your Spotify was associated with, and from there on you can actually change to a new password without having to remember your old password. This way you can change or reset your Spotify password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.